Another day, another story. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious and budget-friendly meal ideas to help you save money while still enjoying tasty food. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top 10 budget-friendly meal ideas that are not only easy on your wallet but also packed with flavor. Let's get started. Our first budget-friendly meal idea is a classic favorite, spaghetti with marinara sauce. Quick shots of spaghetti being cooked, marinara sauce being simmered. For this recipe, all you need is some spaghetti, canned marinara sauce, garlic, onion, and a few basic spices. It's simple, affordable, and oh so satisfying. Next up, we have a hearty and filling option, black bean and vegetable quesadillas. Sautéing vegetables, assembling quesadillas, cooking on a stovetop. These quesadillas are loaded with nutritious black beans, colorful veggies like bell peppers and onions, and melted cheese. Serve them with a side of salsa or guacamole for a complete and budget-friendly meal. Now let's move on to our third budget-friendly meal idea, vegetable stir-fry with rice. Chopping vegetables, stir-frying in a pan, serving with rice. Stir-fries are incredibly versatile and a great way to use up any vegetables you have on hand. You can customize it to your taste and add protein like tofu or chicken if desired. Serve it over a bed of fluffy rice, and you'll have a delicious, budget-friendly meal ready in no time. Our fourth budget-friendly meal idea is a comforting classic, lentil soup. Simmering lentil soup, garnishing with herbs. Lentils are not only affordable but also packed with protein and fiber. Combine them with aromatic vegetables, herbs, and spices, and you'll have a nourishing and budget-friendly soup that will keep you warm and satisfied. Moving on to our fifth budget-friendly meal idea, loaded baked potatoes. Baking potatoes, topping with various ingredients. Baked potatoes are incredibly versatile, and you can load them up with an array of toppings like cheese, sour cream, green onions, and even leftover chili or roasted vegetables. They're a simple, budget-friendly meal option that the whole family will love. For our sixth budget-friendly meal idea, we're going to make a delicious and hearty vegetable curry. Sautéing spices, adding vegetables and coconut milk, simmering. Curry is a fantastic way to utilize inexpensive vegetables and spices. With a blend of aromatic spices, creamy coconut milk, and an assortment of vegetables, you can create a flavorful and satisfying meal that won't break the bank. Now, let's move on to our seventh budget-friendly meal idea, bean and cheese burritos. Assembling burritos, wrapping them, grilling or toasting. These burritos are not only affordable but also a great option for meal prepping. Fill tortillas with a mixture of beans, cheese, and your favorite veggies, and then grill or toast them for a delicious, budget-friendly meal on the go. Our eighth budget-friendly meal idea is a classic, homemade pizza. Rolling out pizza dough, adding sauce and toppings, baking. Making pizza from scratch is not only fun but also budget-friendly. You can customize the toppings to your liking and. Thanks for watching.